This is a how-to video on how to maintain your annual containers, whether they be standalone like this container or your hanging baskets. Come early August to mid-August, you can notice that there's still a lot of bloom on this beautiful Vista bubble gum, but you'll also notice there's lots of stem and only one or two blooms on the ends. So in order to maintain the bloom to last until either frost comes or the end of your growing season, you should trim this annual container no more than 20%. So what you'll do is just take some pruners, or I've used scissors, I find them a bit easier, and just cut down the whole stem like that. Because you'll see that there's still lots of green left, and there'll be enough to maintain the plant to help it nourish itself to continue the bloom. Once you've taken off approximately 20%, you'll see it doesn't make much difference once you have it all done, and I'll just continue trimming along the bottom here, and it'll just force it to bloom some more, and these stems will produce more blooms here also. So when you've done your 20% of pruning, like I'll just go all the way around, then I would put it a bit into the shade, just to kind of for about a week to protect it a bit and let it rejuvenate itself, and then continue with your regime of fertilizing it with a bloom food, which would have a high middle number, something like 105210, and give it a mild solution almost like every second time you water, and you'll find that your containers will last you the whole growing season in your vicinity.